My name is Sean Patterson. This course has two objectives. First, to acquaint you with the SEMrush tools that make PPC specialists' lives easier. Second, obtain the information needed to prove your knowledge and get your SEMrush certificate. SEMrush expands your capabilities and provides you with a broad number of tools designed to simplify your daily workflow. Our all-in-one software suite is for digital marketers, whether occupied with search engine optimization, content marketing, social media, PPC, market analysis, or public relations. You can use SEMrush tools not only to conduct analytical research, but also launch a project to learn everything about your ongoing digital marketing campaigns. In this course, we will learn how to solve the following tasks with the help of SEMrush tools. Task 1. Perform your keyword research for paid search campaigns. Task 2. Update, group, and manage your keywords, optimizing cross-group negatives. Task 3. Create your ads, relying on your competitors' ads analysis. To prove their SEMrush knowledge. So stay tuned, enjoy the course, and enjoy SEMrush.